How to connect Wix Store to Instagram. So first, you just have to simply open or create an account here on Wix and then look for the specific site where you want to connect your Instagram. If you don't have one, then create a new site here. Now you have two options. Go to that site and then look for the sales channel option, or you can go to Help Center and then look for the sales channel option. But this time, I'm going to use the first method. I'm going to click on my site right here, double tap or edit your site. And then on your site, what you're going to do is scroll down and then look for catalog and go to sales channels. Tap this one right here. And then what you're going to do next is you have to look for Instagram or Instagram business account. If you can't find it here, go to the search icon and then type Instagram and you will see this Instagram business. So what you're going to do is you have to simply click this connect account right here. Now you should have your Instagram business, because if you don't have, then it will take you directly to your Facebook application. So you can also connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page. This connect allows you to manage ads, cross-post, and monitor insights seamlessly between both platforms. If your Instagram business account is successfully linked to your Facebook page, then you can also try this one out. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.